Anytime you can find a shortcut to doing something, definitely take advantage of that. Okay, and so, oh, there is one other step that you have to take. Darn it, I thought we were finished. Got my own hopes up. Then what you do is you already have, this is getting funky on me, but you would already have the chart built out with the standard references, and what you'll have to do is go in here and actually replace these. The series name is fine. When it's selected, you see the marching ants. It's still going to be called Google+, and these I already have them in, so I don't have to replace it. But normally for a chart, you're going to see, for the series values, you're going to see BF8 to BF19. And you're just going to go in there and put your equal sign. And on the PC, there's a keyboard shortcut of F3. And I'm not sure that I have this programmed into Parallels. I don't. So I could actually start typing out whatever it was. Let's see, I did what? Social, whatever I called it. You could actually type it out. And on the Mac, you'll want to look it up. The only reason I can't use F3 is that I don't have that hard-coded into my Parallels. I do run into problems with some of the F functions. If you're on a PC, use F3. If you're on a Mac, I don't know what the keyboard shortcut is, but I have it in the workbook. Or like I said, just take note of whatever you called it. I think I called it Social 01 or maybe 02. We'll just say Google+. Oops. I really wasn't paying attention. But if that's what I called the name range, that's what I would set it to. And I would click OK. I'm not going to click OK because it's already set to the right one. And then you have to do the same thing with each of the legend items and the category. So the category would be the months here. So whatever you called it, if you called it social underscore 01 underscore month, which is, I think, what I called this one. Yeah, social underscore 01 underscore month. You just drop that in there, and everything, then your whole chart will be built using these dynamic ranges that you've created. So, and there are other tutorials online. I haven't written a tutorial to date on how to do this. But really, the easiest way, if you want to replicate it, is just go into this Excel file and see how I did it. Now, what Excel will do, if you look at these and you click Edit, you'll also see the name of the file. I didn't put that in there. Excel adds that in. So I just said equals social 02 Google+. But then after you click OK, if you go back into it, you're going to see that Excel also added in the file name. And now we're done. Congratulations. Any questions about anything we covered? I'm not responsible for brain damage. The waiver was implied.
Reach out to you if we do have any questions.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. And if you start to build out a dashboard, like questions, like one-offs, absolutely. Like the people who take my seminar, they're like my favorite people in the world, you know, and I want you to succeed at this. But if you get, let's say, partway into building out your dashboard, or you take the dashboard I've created and you tweak it, and you just want to meet with me over it, we can also schedule a Google Hangout. I make those available online. But absolutely, any like questions that you have about this, I'm totally available. All right. You're welcome.
Thanks, Annie. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.